Hi everyone, welcome to another video. This video I'll be showing you how to remove your door trim seal, your door rubber seal that goes up around the car. This is on a BMW X1 E84 2011 to 2014, I'm pretty sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. Anyways, this is quite simple. You have one little trim right here. Get your fingers, grab it, pop it like that, pop it out. Very simple. Here's your little clip buttons here that you can pop out afterwards. You simply just grab your rubber and fucking pull that shit just like that. Look at that, just like that. I'd almost bet that this is probably almost compatible with other cars as well. And the reason I say that is because these rubbers are actually quite, they're quite malleable. And so you could probably almost fit this on like an older car that is using similar door cards, door seals, whatever, depending on the length. But anyways, that is how you remove your door seal, your door rubber seals from a BMW E84 X1. If you guys need any other tutorials on this car, let me know in the comments. I'll be making more as I go along. So subscribe if you want. I'll be leaving a playlist showing you guys how to pretty much dismantle every single thing on this car, man. Everything that I can make a video on, I'll be dismantling and showing you guys how to do it. So yeah, subscribe if you're interested in any more of that stuff. It might come useful in the future when you are doing something on your E84 and you know, you need a tutorial, and I'm happy to help. I'm happy to make these videos. So yeah, I'll be continuing along and making more, and yeah, sharing them here on this channel. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, peace out.